Hey guys, it's Dice, also Miss Place, and welcome to the channel! So for today's video, medyo quick video lang siya kasi it's another hair related videos. If you haven't seen all of my hair videos, just click this parang information button sa taas and makikita nyo lahat na videos ko na ginawa ko with regards to hair. So for today's video, it's just a simple video na gusto ko lang din i-share sa inyo kasi based to sa lahat ng mga comments and messages na nakuha ko sa inyo. Also, before I start, madami kasi nagtatanong like yung routine ko, ganyan-ganyan, everything. Ginawan ko na rin siya ng Q&A, FAQ video. So please make sure to watch that kasi lahat doon in-explain ko na, as in super lahat na. For this video, as you have seen in the title, it's how to love your hair, especially your curly or wavy hair. Ang dami kong nakuhang comments na they hate their hair, sobrang struggle na sila sa hair nila and everything. Maganda rin kasi na alam natin how to love our hair, and also parang yung routine, it follows na lang after once you truly love your hair. So before we start, please subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and like this video if you like it. And I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo. So, yan. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, first step to loving your hair is, of course, acceptance. So, you have to accept that you have wavy hair, that you have curly hair, that you have textured hair, that you have a high maintenance hair. You have to accept that. Part of that is, you know, believing that you were made by God, and kung ano man yung ikaw ngayon, ginawa yan ni Lord kasi you are what you are, and you have to accept that. Kasi ang dami ko nakikitang comments nga na sobrang they hate her hair, frustrate na sila with their hair. It's just the first step is to accept that you have textured, curly, wavy hair and not straight hair. Kasi alam ko yung struggle, like nakikita nyo sa TV, sa internet, mga artista, mga artists, ganyan, mga model, lahat, marami sa kanila is straight yung hair. So it's kind of hard to accept in a society na parang straight hair is beautiful, pero it starts within yourself na you have to accept na yun nga, you have a different type of hair. So yun yung masasabi ko is to start with that first. Second is to know your curl type. I will link pictures, or ito papakita ko na lang sa inyo yung samples, because yung type of waviness or curliness iba-iba yan. So I believe I have 2B, 2C hair. Ayun, do your research. Malalaman nyo kung ano yung curl type or wavy type or wave type nyo para, you know, malaman nyo lang kung ano yung the right routine, and a little research really helps. So may mga ano pa yan, high porosity, low porosity, yun nga yung types of curls, 2B, 2C, 3C, 3A, 1A, 1B, basta yung mga yun. So a little bit of research really helps. Next is find the right hair routine for you. Ito, sobrang important ito because yung outcome ng hair nyo will depend on your routine, if it's the right routine for you. Ako, sinasabi ko naman to before, even sa comments, I know yung routine ko ngayon is parang hindi siya traditional, or it's not a common hair routine where you put coconut oil hair or whatever, but it works for me and it's my hair, so you know, I can do whatever what I want with it. It's parang yun lang yung nag-work talaga sa akin. So for you guys, you can try out first, of course, the curly girl method. You can definitely try that. May mga nagtatanong kasi sa akin na dapat ba curly girl gawin ko or this and that. Guys, nasa sa inyo yan. If hindi yun nag-work sa inyo, feel free to try other routines. I have videos about that. And kung ayaw niya na talaga, and marami kayong budget, and gustong gusto niyo na talaga, fine, magpa-rebond kayo. Pero, yun nga, you have to do your research kung ano ba meron sa rebond, ano ba yung pros and cons na rebond. So, ayun lang guys. So, really find the right routine sa inyo. Huwag kayong matakot in trying out new things with your hair. The next advice I can give you is find inspiration. So, mag-research lang kayo kung sino yung mga curly girl or wavy type hair girls na I think na may encourage kayo to love your hair. Kasi syempre, kung yun nga sinabi ko na our society, lagi sila nagpapakita ng mga straight hair, yung mga talagang salon hair, ganyan. Sa commercials lalo. So, finding the right inspiration really helps you to be encouraged to love your hair. Kasi, ibig sabihin nun, hindi lang kayo yung may ganong problema, hindi lang kayo yung may gantong hair. So, I think that is my goal, is to be kind of an inspiration na I do have your hair struggles, I do experience those, parang dumaan din ako dyan, and of course, dumadaan din naman ako dyan ngayon pa din, kasi I do have bad hair days, ganyan-ganyan, pero yun nga, you just have to accept that you don't have perfect hair. The next advice I can give you is to try out different hairstyles. Ito guys, sobrang malaking tulong to sa akin, and ilang beses ko na din to sinabi, like yung shock na lagi kong pinopromote, which ito, yung shock na lagi kong pinopromote, sobrang laking bagay sa akin ito, kasi you can do half up or half down. Ilang beses nga to sinabi, but I will still link this down below kasi this one really changed my life. And also, what I did recently is, kung napansin nyo, is ginit na ako na yung hati ko. Before kasi, nasa side, nakaganyan siya. But lately, for the past months, is, eto na yung hati ko, nasa gitna. Medyo uso daw to sa Gen Z. Pero, I find it, mas bagay sa shape ng face ko or something. I don't know. Pero I'm really loving it lately. Don't be afraid to try out different hairstyles. Mag-ipit lang kayo. Okay lang yun. Basta hindi nyo sinisira yung hair nyo basically. So, wag kayong matakot. Just, you know, your hair is a part of you. So, ayun lang. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, this is just a quick video. But, for the last advice that I can give you is do not think about it too much. As in, do not think about it too much. Don't let it stress you out. It's just hair. You know? Yung iba nga, kaya nila magpakalbo or magpagupit ng sobrang ikli. Kasi tutubo rin naman yan. But for your hair, like me na kulot, na wavy, ganyan, bumili ka lang ng mini hair straightener, yung sinabi ko before. So, I will just straighten my bangs para, alam mo yun, mas bumagay siya or something. Parang lahat yan may easy solution, guys. So, don't really stress about it too much. Yun nga, like, maraming hair routines dyan out there na you can try, na sana makatulong sa inyo para, you know, hindi kayo masyadong mag-alala with regards to your hair. I know, medyo mahirap. I've been through that. Nabully na rin ako before. Natawag na akong bruha, natawag na akong, yun nga, parang hindi maganda yung buhok or whatever. It's because I haven't found my hair routine yet. Lalo na nung elementary? Ay, hindi, high school. Lalo na nung high school days. But I went through my high school and lagi nakaipit lang because hindi ko pa nga alam kung ano yung the right routine for me. And hindi ko naman din alam na may parang different types of wavy hair. So, ayun lang. I really hope na this video will help you and para maging aware kayo na hindi lang kayo nag-iisa. Kasi yun, I think yun yung parang kulang sa akin before eh. Parang I didn't know na curly hair na pala ako or something. I just know na parang buhaghag and bruha lang siya or something. So, yun. So, yun na guys. That's it for my video. Very simple lang siya, but I really want to make it straightforward and I want to share with you and encourage you guys na how to love your wavy hair and curly hair. And if you're straight hair, still love your hair kasi good for you. Pero ayun nga, with the same people that has the same struggles like mine, sana nakatulong to sa inyo, and sana eventually matutunan nyo rin how to love your hair, how to style it, how to take care of it, yung right routine for you and all. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you again so much for watching. Please leave a comment down below. I love reading your comments. And please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you again for 20,000 subscribers. And ayun. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!